Hi guys, welcome to the YouTube Make Station. My name is Gabrielle. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video or any of our other videos, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share. We post new videos every week. Let us know what kind of videos you would like to see and I can definitely come up with something for you. Today we are going to be celebrating Mother's Day. This is a great project to make for your mom or your grandma, even a friend. You can turn it into a not Mother's Day project if you want to. This is it here. So it's the 3 little bumblebees with this banner and they're kind of buzzing in heart shape. So I will show you how to do that, show you how to draw the banner, make it look a bit 3D. You can turn this into a card or you can just leave it like this. I think it's really cute and I'm excited to draw it with you guys. So let's get started.
Okay, so for the first part of our drawing, we're going to start with that ribbon. So we're going to make a really long, shallow U, just like this. And then on either side of that U, we're going to do 2 lines going down, just a little bit like that on either side. And then we're going to connect those lines with another long U shape. Perfect. Then we're going to create kind of that curve of the ribbon. So we're going to do a little rainbow in the top corner of either side of our ribbon. Just a little rainbow. And then we're going to make the tail. So we're going to skip through and imagine that it's wrapping behind. So then we're just going to add a little tail like that. I just made a little zigzag. You can make yours however you would like. Perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. It is a ribbon. So it can be however you would like. And then we're going to make our little bumblebee. So for our bumblebee down here, we're just going to do a nice circular shape for the body. And then for the head, we're going to make a nice little rainbow. And then we're going to add some little antennas. So I just did a little line with a little circle at the end, but you can just do a little dot if you would like. Perfect. And then we are going to do our wings. So I just did a little rainbow and then a slightly bigger rainbow for our wings, but you can do however you would like. So a little rainbow and a slightly bigger rainbow. And then I made the little stinger, which was just a V shape. And then we can make our stripes. So for the stripes, I just did some curved lines just to give our bumblebees a little bit of dimension. So just some U lines going along our bumblebee's back. Then we're going to make the dashed line. So we're going to do a dashed line all the way up into our ribbon, and then we're going to skip our ribbon to go behind the ribbon and curve around to make that heart shape. Go nice and slow. You don't need to rush. And then we're going to curve it around and make the other side of our heart. Wonderful. Make sure you skip that ribbon. Perfect. And then we're going to bring it down all the way to the end. And this doesn't have to be perfect at all. It is just a bumblebee's line, so they can be going in all different types of directions. Then we're going to make another little dash bumblebee line. So we're just going to go around like this, make your little heart. Then you can loop it in the center and then wrap around. Perfect. And now we're going to make our another bumblebee. So we're just going to do the body, the rainbow head, the antennas, the little V stinger, our little rainbow lines or curved lines in our body. So you don't have to do too many in the body. And then our wings again, so those nice rainbow shapes. Mine kind of disappears here because I've got the tape at the top. Perfect. And then I added a third bumblebee because I thought it would be nice with 3 bumblebees. So here I am again. We're going to make that circular body, that rainbow head, those little antennas, the wings, and then the stinger and the stripes. You don't have to do 3 bumblebees, or you could do more bumblebees if you would like to. It's totally up to you. But I think 3 is a nice number. And then I added another dashed line here. I just did a loop-de-loop going around. Beautiful. And then I wrote Happy Mother's Day on the inside of my ribbon, but you can write whatever you would like. You can write your parent's name. You could just write mom, however you would like to design it. Then we're going to color in the stripes of our bee. So I just skipped every other stripe in the bee. So I did this bottom stripe here and then the top stripe right underneath the head as well. I also colored in the little stinger and the little antennas, like the circular parts of the antenna. And I just repeated the same step on all of the bees. Beautiful. I just use a Sharpie to do this. You can use a marker, a Sharpie, a pen, whatever you have at home. Beautiful. So then the next thing is going to be coloring in the bumblebee. So I'm just taking this dark yellow color. I have linked all of the markers that we use in the description down below. So if you want to get the same markers that we have, you definitely can. I love these markers. So we are just coloring in the little bumblebees. Perfect. The next thing we are going to do are the wings. So I took a darker, like turquoisey shade and just outlined my wings. So I'm going to outline the wings here. Perfect. In just this teal color. Beautiful. And then we're going to find a lighter blue shade and we're going to color in the inside of the wings. And this just kind of gives the drawing a little bit of dimension. So the wings will look almost a little bit more see-through with this illusion. Beautiful. And then I colored in the banner this light pink, but you can do your banner whatever color you would like. I just thought it was nice for Mother's Day. A nice light pink. Also looks good with the bumblebees. Beautiful. And then we can add some shadows. So I took a darker pink and I colored in those little rainbows at the top because that's kind of the ribbon curving in the back. And then I added a bit of shading on the outside there, you can see on my ribbon, just to make it look a little bit more 3D. So I just colored in that corner. Perfect. Then I added some little hot pink hearts flying away from the ribbon. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. I just thought it was a nice little detail. Perfect. And then we're going to just go over the dashed lines with the pink as well. You also don't have to do this. I just thought it added a little bit more color in the drawing. Amazing. That is the end of our bumblebee drawings. I hope you guys loved making this with me and I can't wait to see your finished projects. If you liked doing this drawing with me, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and follow. We will be posting more videos every week.